Forgot password? Let's go. After the intro. Hello guys, how are you? I'm here again, CP Technic TV. So today guys, I'm going to teach you how to remove this security lock of smartphone, Vivo Y11. So make sure guys that you watch the video until the end and don't skip so you can follow what we're going to do. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, let's get started. So guys, let's open the phone because we need it for our test point. Just follow me guys. Guys, we have finished removing the covers, and we also need to remove the battery terminal so we can do a test point here. Just follow me, guys. So, here's the point, guys. It has a red-colored circle, and plug it into the cable to the computer at the same time to detect it on the computer. In the menu tab, click on Vivo, then in the search bar, search for Vivo Y11. This is just basic, guys, for those who already know. All you need are tools. This software tool is expensive, guys, at 3,500 pesos per year. For new entries in my channel, guys, please just follow me and subscribe and click the notification bell so you are always updated with new uploads. Guys, we're done formatting, so now let's set up for clear all data. And we're not done here, guys. We have more to do. After this, let's test point again for erase FRP and just follow me. So, it's done. Clear all data. Now, let's first turn off the phone for test point again to remove the FRP or factory reset protection. I will repeat, connect the test point and at the same time connect the USB to the computer. And then click Erase FRP and wait for it to finish. Okay guys, we're done. Let's assemble it to set up the phone. That's all, guys. If this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Once again, this is CP Technic TV. Thank you, and God bless all.